Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside YouTube Studio as the channel owner. First, sign in with the correct Google account, then open YouTube Studio. Once loaded, click Content on the left and apply the Shorts filter or search term, Shorts, to surface vertical under 60s clips. This step narrows the list so you don't accidentally remove regular uploads. Make sure you see the Shorts badge on thumbnails. That confirms you're working with the right format before you proceed to selection. Now you'll select the items you intend to delete. Use the left-hand checkboxes to pick single or multiple shorts. If unsure, preview each so you confirm content, date, and metrics. Once selected, click the More Actions menu for bulk options. Pay attention to visibility status, public, unlisted, or private, because deletes are permanent regardless of privacy. If a short is part of a playlist or cross-posted, make sure removal won't disrupt playlists or link descriptions. To finish, click Delete Forever from the More Actions menu, read the confirmation dialog, then confirm. This permanently removes the short from YouTube. Analytics and caches may still show data briefly, so expect up to 24 hours for everything to clear. If you deleted by mistake, check Google account backups or original files. YouTube cannot restore deleted videos. If the delete button is disabled, make sure you have channel owner permissions or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.